So, Captain Thomas, let's summarize a little bit our findings. We have the pot holding temperature time, it's item 16C. We have 5 points here. Cross-contamination, item 18C, another 3 points. We have the wear washer, hot water sanitizing, up item number 24C, another 3 points. We have the wiping cloths, a minor one, but still a point here. And we have the food contact equipment in good repair, item number 20, with a value points of 2. Overall, we have 14 points deduction from a total score of 100.
That makes it so easy, Dumitru. It just, wow, bam, it's right there.